Hey everyone, Jordan Zhao here from Australian Control Engineering, ACE. I just got back from the BESS conference at ECU and I wanted to share some insights that really struck me. One of the major concerns discussed was the potential safety and fire hazards of lithium-ion batteries. This is a serious issue, not just for the public, but also for protecting our customers' valuable assets. But here's the good news. There are effective solutions out there. For example, monitoring systems that keep track of battery cell temperature, voltage, and current can significantly mitigate these risks. Additionally, spacing out the batteries properly and implementing robust fire detection and suppression systems are key measures to ensure safety. As an electrical and SCADA engineer, I'm excited about how we can contribute to this field. At ACE, we specialize in the design and integration of monitoring and control systems for battery storage systems. Over the years, we've designed and implemented numerous BESS projects across Australia. This hands-on experience has helped us derive optimal methods for system integration. We've seen firsthand how effective these measures can be in enhancing safety and performance. If you're inspired by this topic and want to learn more or discuss your own projects, please leave a comment below or reach out to us directly. We'd love to hear from you and explore how we can help. Talk to you soon and stay safe.